Brush Towing Systems has a 2011 Ford F450, beautiful gray color. Jerr-Dan MPL NGS steel Autoloader wrecker body on it. In-cab controls. A Deweze clutch pump. This truck has a 6.7 liter Scorpion diesel engine. The wheels match the truck. The body's been painted to match. Low Pro LED tin head light bar. The interior of their truck, you have seating for 3, 4 cup holders, AMFMCD player, power windows, and door locks. Controls for the light bar, the rear work lights, the in-cab handle control. Good looking truck. 214-228-4487. Call Hunter Smith if you're interested in this truck or a truck like